here.
Come here.
This is as close as I'm gonna get, baby. I think you're gonna bite my toes.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet.
here.
I'm a little bit. You're just so strong.
here.
You're so strong.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to bite me.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh. Oh,
Oh,
you're so sweet. No, baby.
what's your problem, darling?
Nothing.
no.
I love you. I just said.
Oh.
I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's
Come here.
why.
What's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No.
I'm sorry.
What's that?
See? Hey! That's why. See? You scared me. You tried to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
But you tried
I'm
to.
not gonna, darling.
You tried to just now, Barley.